Hi, I'm Hedgeye founder and CEO Keith McCullough. I'm excited to announce the Hedgeye on the Prize tournament. I challenge you to compete in this simulated investing tournament to win some serious money. We'll be awarding weekly and monthly cash prizes along with the big grand prizes. Along the way, we'll teach you how to take your investing to a whole new level. I hope you'll join us. I'll be coaching you every step of the way.
Questions on Facebook, obviously a bellwether that has underperformed. Los Georges. Good morning, gents. Can you take us through your Facebook modeling? The trend was 332 yesterday and it sold off, but it's still neutral today. Probably bearish trade at this point. At what point does it flip to bearish trend?
Well, it is bearish trend. I mean, you don't have to have me write it down. And especially when you look at the risk range today, it's got a lower low on Facebook, which is bearish, obviously. So again, that's a good example too of me taking a loss in real-time alerts where the analyst was bullish, a couple new things start to happen. It's not like new things that don't happen in information space every day. So the market started to say, this is getting riskier. It broke trend, and on the first big bounce, what did I do? I took the loss. The biggest thing that people screw up, one of the biggest things that people will screw up on the prize or whatever, they'll buy a loser and they're going to stay with it. And they get bigger in a loser. So rule number one, don't lose money, okay? That's rule number one. Rule number two, when you are losing money, because you will violate rule number one, don't average into losers. Average into losers, okay? That makes you a loser, okay? If you want to average into a loser, in particular into month end and year end, and there are fundamental reasons why these companies are losing, you're going to be a bigger loser, all right? Ride winners, okay? Ride winners. These things aren't easy to do, by the way. I say them simply because they're simple, simple coaching points. But again, when you get up if you decided that your first shot on Hedgeye on the Prize, like I'm going to beat Mucker today. I'm going to buy Palladium. If you bought it, you should sell that fucking thing right now. That's what you should do. Okay, he was right. I'm wrong. Or do you want to stay wrong? And in your own mind, you're going to stay right. The score doesn't care about what's in your own mind. It's what's on the tape. So again, let's make sure that we're thinking that through that way. That was about as clear as I could be. I wrote down the number 332. I said above it, that's good. I said below it, it's bad. That's it. You don't need to have any qualifiers this morning. By tomorrow, most likely you're going to have FB change to exactly what I just told you on the macro show. That's the whole point about the macro show, is that you get a lot better information than the person that's just looking at a static $30 a month risk range product. Now, the risk range product is super helpful, especially if you never had it prior. But again, $30 a month is only going to get you so much of an education. Again, if you're watching the macro show, you heard exactly what I said, and I just said it again. Very straightforward, okay? Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.